As I mentioned when we were going through the homepage, that you have a section for all of my tasks here. You can click view all, or you could click on tasks here at the top. I do want to note again that since this is my internal account, I'm able to see everyone's tasks within the company as well. So for the sake of the training, let's go ahead and filter just to myself here. You can also see that there are different ways to filter, such as the owner, which I just did, any particular group, the task status, incomplete, complete, overdue, responsible parties, as well as the task type. So as you're looking through this, you'll see that a couple tasks have a hyperlink, whereas if we go down to this one, these are grayed out here because you can see that these are checked, meaning that I completed this task. So let's just say I'm looking here at this one. This is the AI generated that we used when we were working through the wizard. So I can either check it and mark it complete right there, or alternatively, if I click on this link, may take a little bit of time to load. It'll take you right to that particular task that you forgot to mark complete. So I'll go through and say that I marked that complete, and then we can go back to the home page or the task tab and go back and make any other edits that you would like.